Your Windows 11 audio might be working perfectly right now, but one small driver or Windows service problem could make your sound disappear without warning.
What?
And when it happens, you may suddenly see no audio device or hear absolutely no sound. So here's where you should check to fix the problem and help keep your audio working properly. First, right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Now look for Realtek Audio, high-definition audio device, Intel's smart sound technology, or the audio device installed on your computer. If you see that the device is disabled, right-click on it and select Enable Device. Once you've done that, restart your computer and check if the sound is working again. If the audio is still not working, go back to Device Manager. Right-click on Realtek Audio, high-definition audio device, or your installed audio device, and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstall, and then restart your computer. When Windows starts again, it may automatically detect your audio hardware and reinstall a compatible driver. After that, check your sound and see if the problem is fixed. If you're still having the same audio issue, press the Windows +R on your keyboard. Type services.msc and press Enter. In the Services window, find Windows Audio. Right-click on it and select Restart. Then find Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right-click on it and select Restart. Now double-click each of these services and make sure the startup configuration allows the service to run normally. Once you're done, restart your computer one more time and check the audio again. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. If you still need help, leave a comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page. See you in the next video.